By 2030, artificial intelligence is expected to contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy. 9 out of 10 companies already use AI in some form, and 70% say it's transforming how they operate. From healthcare to manufacturing, finance to retail, AI is everywhere, and it's changing everything. In healthcare, AI enables faster, more accurate diagnoses. Tools powered by machine learning are detecting diseases like cancer up to 30% earlier than traditional methods. In finance, AI analyzes billions of transactions to prevent fraud and provide personalized banking experiences, reducing fraud losses by up to 60%. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance powered by AI has cut machine downtime by 20–30%, saving millions in lost output. In retail, AI customizes the customer journey, boosts conversions, and helps brands make smarter decisions with real-time data. In education, adaptive learning platforms powered by AI help students learn at their own pace, improving retention and engagement rates. AI isn't replacing humans. It's enhancing how we think, work, and create. Those who embrace it today are shaping the world of tomorrow. Ready to integrate AI into your product or service? Here are 5 leading AI app development companies making it happen. 1. ScalaCode. 2. iWebServices. 3. Damco. 4. LeewayHertz. 5. Persistent systems. Like, follow, and share for more future-forward tech insights. Let's build smarter together.